In today's video, you will learn how to create a radar chart in Microsoft Excel using monthly sales data. A radar chart is an excellent way to compare values across multiple categories. In our case, the sales performance of each month of the year. By the end of this video, you will know how to create, customize, and interpret a radar chart in just a few minutes. Let's get started. Here I have a simple data set. The first column contains the months from January to December and the second column contains the sales amount for each month. This type of data is commonly used by businesses to analyze seasonal sales trend and quickly identify the strongest and weakest month. We will use this data to build a radar chart. First of all, to create a radar chart, I am going to select this data. After selecting this data, under the Insert tab, I will click on this recommended chart, and here I will click on this All chart. In this list, I have a radar chart over here, so I am going to click it, and after this I will click OK. Immediately, Excel creates a radar chart. Each point on the chart represents 1 month's sales, while the distance from the center indicates the sales value. Let's understand what this chart tells us. Months with higher sales appears further away from the center. Months with lower sale remain closer to the center. This makes it easy to identify seasonal patterns and compare performance across the entire year without reading every individual number. This is the simplest chart. If we want to change its design, you can see that under the chart design, we have multiple options where we can customize or choose the design that we need. Now the question arises when we should use the radar chart. Some common examples to use it is like we have the monthly sales performance data, or we have the employees performance evaluation, or we want to evaluate the students performance, or we have the data related to the product feature comparison, or we have the data related to the customer satisfaction survey results. These type of data are best represented by this radar chart. That's how easy it is to create and customize a radar chart in Microsoft Excel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Now How channel. Also press the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming Excel tutorial. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.